That which is great is Brahma. We have Jnana, but the greatest Jnana is Brahma Jnana. Vishayananda, Bhajanananda, Brahmananda. So there are different types of Ananda. The greatest of all the Ananda is Brahmananda. Every time you feel angry, you sit in meditation, your anger disappears. Your anger disappears because you feel complete. You feel lot of energy. Discipline. Discipline is always for the body. Discipline is for the body, control to the mind. Without the theoretical knowledge, practical experience becomes challenging. With theoretical knowledge, with practical experience, you become a great person. Raja Yoga, as told by Patanjali, it is Raja Yoga. As told by Gautama Buddha, this is called Anapanasati. When you read great books, when you read Bhagavad Gita, when you read Puranas, when you read Itihasas, when you read Shastras, science, Shastra means science. When you read spiritual science, when you read all great masters, enlightened masters, when you read these masters, then Swadhyaya happens. You understand a lot about yourself. You understand where you are. You understand what are the lessons you need to learn. You understand where you are stuck. You understand where you need to go next. You understand a lot of things about your own self. That is Swadhyaya.